A very good evening to all my viewers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. Even better afternoon for all my subscribers for trade ideas. Alright, so the Australia report has already been passed for about 2 hours. We can see that the price has a bit settled. That is also one of the reasons why you didn't receive any trade ideas yesterday, because was waiting for this to settle down a bit. And of course, a gentle reminder that tonight, Singapore time, at around 2 a.m., there will be a Federal Reserve rate decision. A lot of economists are saying that they are not doing a rate increase. In whatsoever reason they are going to increase or not increase the rates, it will definitely be a volatile night. Personal opinion I have is that do not take up unnecessary movement. I'm staying away from dollar yen for this particular reason. Not a fan of counter trading for this period of time. Definitely I'm not looking to short the euro. It is so crazy bullish. Alright, I have viewers asking me when I'm doing live streaming session, they're asking me where's the resistance of euro, and of course answering to that, one of level I'm looking at 117, and beyond that is 120. I'm not asking you to long euro dollar, but these are the possible resistance area. In view of that, with the Australia saying that the inflation report, in view of inflation and stuff, all sorts of that, Australia sentiment start to turn a bit bearish and euro still as bullish. So with that, I have decided to long euro Australia. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already in the position, alright, but that's not the whole point of this trade itself, or rather these trade ideas itself, but rather I'm looking for more opportunity to engage the trade. So the thing about trading, lots of time people will be thinking things like, alright, this is a good setup, let us have huge position on that. Of course you can do that, but wouldn't it be better that, let's say, you look into a couple of trades, you have your 2-1 ratio in place, you set it up, and of course in the works of your looking through multiple time frame, confirming the trend, this and that, but sometimes because of news event or the technical setup, it may not hit your target one, that not able enable you to actually place your stop loss at entry price. Alright, so that is very possible. Alright, so what you can do is that you look a couple of trades, maybe 3, and not engage more than that. Having a preparation of one is hitting your final target, the other one gets stopped out at entry price, having no risk or little profit if you chose to do a partial profit at target 1. And of course the other one, you have the mental preparation of hitting your stop losses. Alright, so with that, the one that developed well, you can look into investing, or rather engage additional trade. Alright, engage an additional trade in view of the future development, which I'm going to show you now. So right now we are looking at Euro Aussie at its highest time frame. What have you seen? What have you spotted? It should be pretty obvious to traders that has been trading for some time to notice that it is a head and shoulder. Alright, or in this case, not to confuse my audience, I will say that it's a inverse head and shoulder. Alright, so over here, as we can see, we are approaching the neck line of it. All right, so you might be drawing by the candle body, not by the shadow. So this is the neckline of the head and shoulder, and of course this is the immediate resistance, as we all can see. Yes. All right, so if we go down to a lower time frame, this is a 1 hour chart. Allow it to refresh a bit. Okay, I am awaiting for the candle to break above and close above the red line, which is also known as your resistance. Hit down to 15 minutes. Likewise, I'm waiting for breaking above and closing above of 14756. Alright, so where is my final profit level? As you can see, it's a sweet number, 1.5 flat. Alright, and where do I project my profit? Let me just project this entire leg upwards. You will see it is about this region over here. Okay, I place it in this case slightly higher, and of course I will definitely watch closely when the market is moving in. Alright, I am placing 30 pips more at this level. Alright, basically fundamentally what is supporting me for this trade is bullish euro and perhaps a much bearish Australian dollar than before. So what is my trade plan over here? Okay, I am waiting for the market to move all the way up. Okay, let me just change to it. Can you see a difference? All right, all the way up, came back down, doing a retest that may look something like this. And I'm waiting for my confirmation over here, reverse, which look you will see a formation that's alike to this movement. All right, and I am awaiting for a long opportunity. That means buying up. All right, no doubt I'm already in a position, but I am looking for market to went up, came down, retest, and I am looking for the market to go extended all the way. All right, and of course market might head up to 1.49 before it perform another retest, and this is another opportunity that I might have to engage a long trade again all the way up. So there are at least 1 to 2 more trading opportunity for me to look into this, and my final target sits at 1.5. What are the other possible level that I'm waiting for a resistance? Look left, structure leaves clue. 148.25 is one of the level I'm looking at a resistance. So for some of my viewers that you are seeing this for the first time, I love to color code it. If it's red, it is the pressure, upwards selling pressure that I see, and if it's blue, it's the support. And if I draw my trend line blue, I'm looking for long. If I'm drawing it red, I'm looking for short. These sort of things. All right. Okay, so I'm waiting for the market to break above, came back down, retest, went up, retest again before it shoot higher. All right, so these are the few areas I'm looking to long the market. Of course, other than a retest over here back to the current resistance, which hopefully will be the future support, another movement is possible as well. let me just adjust this a bit. Let's say market went up, came back down, went higher, came back, creating a higher low, then I'm looking for an opportunity to long at this price. All right, so this is what I have for you today for my trade ideas, and for stop loss wise, my take is that this is a pretty legit support level. If you want it to be very tight, you can place at 1.4655 and around 20 pips below it. All right, so that's all I have for you for Euro Aussie. Is kind of my midterm trade, which some of you will know it better as a swing trade. And this trade, I believe it will cross over to August itself, and there are lots of opportunity for engaging because my final target level is 1.5. Right now, my current position for Euro Aussie is sitting at risk-free status because I've shifted my stop loss to entry, riding a 50 pips profit right now without any downside. All right, so of course the only downside I have is that I'll get stop out at entry level. I'll look for another position, another price to engage a trade, but other than that, I have one free ticket to my profit. I'm waiting to engage another 2 more opportunity that put me in 3 different pricing to engage this price. So trading is about patience and strategize your plan. Your strategies itself is very important, as well as your reward is the risk ratio profile. Never expose yourself hugely into any trade or any formation that you see out there, be it who is telling you the finding they have. You will have instance that you might hit your losses by following other people, but once when you look at them, those that give you the signal, they're still having a overall pretty well portfolio because they have diversified their risk in different currencies, and they do not keep themselves very exposed. And once they are in this instance, there are more clues that is showing that it's moving upwards, they may engage a new trade, but in most cases the new trade that they engage, they will not overexpose it as well. All right, so that's all I have for you for today. It's a Wednesday itself, although it's the last week, but I do see that these few days there will be high volatility due to Federal Reserve rate will be announced at 2 a.m. approximately 12 hours from now. All right, so with that, I'd like to let all of you know this video is recorded on 26th of July. Should you receive the video only way after 26th of July, or you are able to view it after 26th of July, chances that you are not my subscriber yet. Subscribe to us for the first month is only for $10, subsequent month $100. Look at this video itself, is a good 200 pips of target profit movement that we are sharing, and all the trade ideas that we shared with you are carefully filtered. These are not trading signal. This is sharing with you what a professional trader, full-time trader is doing, looking at, and it will start to give you a community of support with traders with good trading habits. And as you receive the videos day after day, you get to learn new stuff day after day from the video and within the community. All right, so hesitate no longer. It's just $10. It's not even 10 pips of your profit. All right, or it's less than 20 pips of your profit if you are trading it, and of course that is after you have agreed with the analysis and you decide to engage the trade. All right, that's all I have for you for today. The video is running a bit long for today because I want to share more with you, and wishing all of you to have many pips in return. Before I end this, Gentle reminder, plan your trade and trade your plan. Alright, until the next video, good luck, best of luck for your trading, and I will see you on the next video.